4.3, solving system of linear equation by elimination. Okay, I will go for the learning objectives. Solve linear systems by elimination. Multiply when using elimination method. 3. Use an alternative method to find the second value in a solution. 3. Solve special system by elimination. Do now. Key terms. Find the meaning of the following vocabulary and concepts. Use the internet and the book. Okay, let's go into the concept. This is your classwork. You have to do this for classwork, right? Find the meaning of those words. How many words you have? 3, and place them in the correct statement, okay? We start with learning objective 1. Solve linear systems by addition method. Now, take a look at equation 1. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. If I add these two equations, what happened to the y? They cancel, correct? And you get what? 2x equal what? How much?
9.
8. Positive or negative? Positive. So x in this case equal what? 4. Now replace x by 4 in which equation? Which equation? 1 or 2? Which one is easier?
1.
I'll do 2. Can you do 1? Yes. Can you do 2? Yes. So x equal 11 plus y. No, actually you should do the opposite, right? You should say y, right? Is negative y equal what? Negative x plus 11. And y equal what? X minus 11. How much is x? 4, correct? So your answer will be what?
Negative 7.
Negative 7. So you got x and y. So that means what is your answer? Is this clear? Now you can check your answer, right? Can you check your answer? By replacing what? Replace x by what?
4.
By 4 in both equations, right? So you're going to get x plus y equal negative 3. Okay, and the other one is what? X minus y equal 11. You're going to replace here 4 minus 7. Is it equal to 11? And this one, same thing. Is it equal? The answer is what? True. Therefore, your solution set is what? What's your solution set? 4, negative 7. Easy as easy? Yeah, let's go to the next one. Can you do one? Which one you want to do? Yeah, do the first one. Easy. You can pause the video and solve it and then come back to it. I'm sorry. So for the next exercise, solve the system. 3x plus y equals 7. 2x minus 5y equal negative 1. If you add, it will not give you any, we will not be able to cancel one variable. So therefore, I have to do what? I have to use another technique. So the only technique I can do that will help is to multiply times negative 1 for which equation? Which equation? Equation 1. So multiply by 5. Okay. To equation what? Equation 1. Is this clear? Clear or not clear? And then when you multiply, what's going to happen? You get this new one, right? This new equation, which equation number 3. Then you add which equation and which equation? 2 and 3 and 2, right? 3 and 2. Add them. And you result with what? X equal 2. Now replace x by 2 in equation what? Which equation? First one? I'll choose the second one. Okay? 2 and then open minus 5y equal -1. You're going to tell me, can I choose any equation? Yeah, it's up to you. Decide which one you want. So put 2 here. 2 times 2 is 4. -5y equal -1. So -5y equal what? -5. So y equal what? 1. So what's your solution? 2 and 1. And then you have to do what? Check the answer. If it's true and true, then your solution set is what? 2 and 1. Is this clear? Any questions? Yes, go ahead. Solve system. Here, take a look at this. What should I multiply to get rid of one of the variable? I need to multiply one of the equation to get rid of one variable. Should I get rid of the 2 or the x for the x or 2 or the y? Yes, we can do that, right? So this equation 1, this equation 2. So you're going to multiply the top equation 1 by how much?
2.
By 2. And the bottom?
3.
By 3?
Yes.
Well, a -3?
3 and 9, you can just minus it. Like this one.
You are cancelling the x, correct? So 2 times 3, how much? 6.
Yeah.
And 3 times 2, 6. So it has to be what? -3. Is this clear? So let's do it. 6x minus 8y equal 22. And this one is going to be -6x minus 9y equal 12. Then you have 2 new equations, equation 3 and 4. Can you add? If you add, what is going to happen?
-17y.
You cancel. Cancel what?
X.
X's. And what are you going to get now?
-17y.
-17y equal
34.
34. So y equal what?
-2.
Replace y by -2. In which equation? Which equation? 1, 2, 3, 4.
1.
1. I'll take 2. Okay. So you have 2x plus 3 open parentheses equal -4. And how much the value? So they give you what? -6, correct? And then you move the -6 to the other side, become what? Positive? Positive what? 6. Correct? Good?
And like x equals 1.
So how much this?
2.
2. So x equal what? 1. So what's your solution set? And then after that, what do you do?
Check.
Check if true, true. Then your answer is what? Solution set is what? 1 and -2. Is it easy? Yes.
I'm going to, if I use this calculator, I say 7 equals 9. But in this case, you couldn't parallel, so actually no solution.
Yes. Yeah, let's go to the next one. This is classwork, okay? You have to do this in the class. All this you have to do in class. Okay. Now let's go for this one. Yalla, what can you do? I need to get rid of what? This we have equation 1. Equation what? 2. If I add, can I cancel one of the variable? Can you cancel one variable? The answer is no. So what should I do? I have to multiply, right? Multiply equation 1 by how much?
4.
By 4. Okay, so let's multiply 1 by 4. So what are you going to get? 8x minus 4y equal 12. What about the one in the bottom? Stay the same. 4x plus 4y equal negative 1. Now what I'm going to do? Add. So what happened when you add? You cancel the y's. And what you get? 12x equal what? 11. So x equal what? 11 over 12. Is this clear? So I'm going to substitute x for 11 over 12, in which to find what? To find y. Replace it where? In which equation? Equation what? 2. So you have 4 plus 4y equal negative 1. How much is x? 11 over 12. Now, can I cancel the 4 with the 12? What do you get? 3. So it's going to be what? 11 over 3 plus 4y equal negative 1. Good or bad? It's bad, right? Why is bad? Because I have fraction, right? Do you like fraction? So I need to get rid of the fraction. What should I multiply the whole thing here? Multiply times what? Times 3. So the whole thing. So that will give you 11 plus 3 times 4, 12 minus 3. So 12y equal what? So y equal what? Negative 14 over 12, which is how much? Divide by 2. You get what? Negative 7 over 6. So your solution set is what? Easy as easy. And then you have to check the answer, right? And you have to get what? True and true, right? If you get true, then your solution set 11 over 12, negative 7 over 6, and that's it. Easy as easy? Easy as easy? Yes. Here is like this better. I have 3x minus y equal 1, 3x minus y equal 2. If I add, what is the result here if you add? Zero equal 3. Is this true or false? False. That means what? Means the two lines are what?
No solution.
What are the two lines?
But
And how you write this in mathematics? Phi, right? Or you can write it like this, like empty set like this.
مو بعد التوب قصدك minus.
Sorry?
قصدك minus مو بعد. عشان لو جمعت ال two equations يطلع لك 6x equal minus 2y equals 6.
Yeah, right. Okay, we have a mistake here. So let me stop recording the file. Okay, so this one, we have two equations. If we add the two equations, it will not help. If you add the two equations, it will not help you. So we have to multiply the first equation by what? -1. So if you multiply times -1, that's you get another equation, a new one, which is number 3. Number 3. We multiply times a -1. And then you add equation 2 to equation 3. Okay? So we add equation 2 and 3. When you add it, what do you get? 0 equal 1, which is it true? No, false. So in this case, the two, you have solution or no solution? No solution. The answer is no solution. Okay, what's mean no solution? The two lines are parallel. And you can write it in mathematics as what? Phi. Or you can write it like this, or you write it in English, empty set. Is this clear? Let's go to the next one. Here I have two equations, right? If I add the two equations, does it help? If I add, does it help? Muhammad? But the answer is no. So I have to multiply the first equation by how much? -3. If you multiply times -3, you get the new equation, right? And then you add equation what? Equation. This is equation number 3. Add it to equation number 2. So equation 3 and 2. You're going to do what? You're going to add. And you get 0 equal 0. Is this true or false? True. If it's true, then your lines are what? Overlap. Good. They are means what on top of each other. So how many solution? Infinite many solution. How you write in math? R. Or you write it like this. Okay. There is another way to write it. Like this. You can write it like this. Curly brackets. You're going to say all value for x and y such that meet the equation. Which equation? You can take the second one. Okay, what's the second equation? 3x plus 9y equal what? 6. And then you close the brackets. Or you can choose the first equation. It doesn't matter. Both of them is the same. Or you do the second one. All values for y and x such that meets the condition for -3x minus 9y equal -6. Is this clear? All right, so last one. Read Ya Muhammad Atshan.
Yes.
Loud. True or false? Substitution method. Read in the board.
When using elimination method,
The substitution method.
the substitution method is often the best choice when solving a linear system that has an equation with a variable that is one side by itself.
One side by itself. Okay. The answer is what? True. And I give you an example here. Is this clear? All right. So we are done with that section. Any questions?